Hi guys, right now we are making wheels, chakra. You've got order for chakras, we are making chakras. See, so beautifully made. We have to make a lot of chakras, so in every round we have to put polish first, wax pole. Molding is going on after putting the fiber mat. ये यहाँ पे सारा डिज़ाइन पे ब्रश प्रेस कर दिया. Press the brush on all the designs. For the designs to come properly. हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है. Now casting has been done. Now we are cutting the extra parts which we don't need. It has to be cut in the mold itself, because after that the proportion will not come properly. You can see here the ready piece. This is empty in the design, so this is the thing. Now we are taking out the piece from the mold. See, so smoothly it's coming out. See the piece. इसके बगल में रखो. See the finishing. So fine pieces are coming out. Thank you. Take care. Keep watching our videos.